Good morning, kids. Today we are going to see how to solve problems involving addition and subtraction. Before this, also we have done some exercises on this topic, but today teacher going to give you more. Okay. First example, Kumar sold 152 apples, 132 oranges, and 173 pears. How many fruits he sold altogether? Okay, we already read the question. Then, what are the informations? Okay, Kumar sold fruits. Okay, what fruits are they? 152 apples, 132 oranges, and 173 pears. Okay, what the question want you to find? How many fruits he sold altogether? Okay, there is a keyword for you. Altogether. Altogether refer to addition. Okay, we only have 4 operations in maths: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Only 4 operations in maths. Okay, so in this question we use addition because the question want you to find altogether. Okay, the number of fruits altogether. Altogether refer to total also. Okay, so total, altogether, more than, all these refer to plus. Again, altogether, total, more than. All these words are keywords for addition. Okay, so first of all you write mathematics sentence. Okay, this is mathematics sentence. Then you plus apples and oranges first, then you bring up the answer, then plus with pears, then you will get the total number of fruits, 457. Okay, question number 2. Okay, this question based on table. Okay, table shows number of trees planted from January to March. Okay, so January, how many trees were planted? 150. February, how many trees? 202. March, how many trees? 97. Okay, these are informations. So question, how many trees were planted from January to March? So you have to find the number of trees altogether, the total again. Okay, so it is again plus. From January you have to find all the number of trees that were planted. Okay, so you have to plus, then only you will get the total number. Okay, so mathematics sentence first, then you write standard form. Okay, you plus January and February first, then you plus with March. Okay, then you will get the total 449. Okay, again teacher repeat again. Altogether, total, more than. These words will refer to addition. Okay, sometimes they won't use these 3 words, but through the question you must imagine what are they explaining to you, what are the informations that they give you, and then you need to find the operation. Okay, number 3. Look at the number of stamps collected by Raju. Raju is collecting stamps. Okay, Malaysia stamps 203, foreign stamps 175. Okay, what is the question? What is the difference in the number of Malaysia and foreign stamps? You have to find the difference. Okay, difference here will refer to which operation? Yes, some of you can answer correctly. That is subtraction. Okay. Other keywords for subtraction: left, balance, less than. Okay, all these refer to subtraction. Difference means what? Okay, here if we see, Malaysia stamps are more than foreign stamps, right? So difference, they ask you to find difference means how many stamps, how many Malaysia stamps are more than foreign stamps. So you have to find the difference. How many are extra? How many stamps are extra here in Malaysia stamps? We are comparing here with foreign stamps. When we are comparing with other number, we have to minus. Okay, so difference, you are finding difference, minus mathematics sentence first, then standard form, then you will get answer. 3 you cannot minus 5, so you will borrow. Okay, you have to know we cannot minus 170, we cannot write 170 minus 213. You know, right? Why? Because 175 foreign stamps are less than Malaysia stamps. So we have to write the bigger number first. 213 minus 175. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, next. This question based on table about Reforest the Earth campaign. Okay. Which town? Bandar Jaya, Bandar Maju. Number of trees in Bandar Jaya, 201. Number of trees in Bandar Maju, 38 trees less than Bandar Jaya. Less than. Okay, can you see that word? Yes. Now, let's see the question. Calculate the number of trees in Bandar Maju. Okay, we are going to find in Bandar Maju. Bandar Maju, we go back again and see. What are the information there? 38 trees less than Bandar Jaya. Less means minus. From where? From Bandar Jaya. So, your mathematics sentence, Bandar Jaya 201. From 201, you minus 38. Because why? Because less than. Then you will get the answer. Okay? So, teacher will give you exercise in your activity book. You do that activity, do that exercise. Okay. Those who have done before this, some of you have done, I think. If you have done before this, it's okay. You just go through the PowerPoint. Then today, at 8 o'clock, teacher will do a Google Meet for half an hour with you to go through the exercise with you. Okay? Okay, please watch the video and make sure you understand the lesson of today. Okay? Thank you. Bye and stay safe.